Now, let's talk about the wave god himself. Rapper Max B and Lola are back in the studio cooking up some fresh new music for the fans. You can see Max letting that beat marinate in his head before he even steps in the booth. The energy in the studio is electric, with both Max and Lola locked in and focused on making a hit. Fans are already buzzing about what this duo is about to drop next.
I ain't in no rush. You think I'm in a rush to go home?
This studio session is proof that he still got it. So, are you ready for Max B's new music with Lola? Let us know what you think about this collaboration. Grab your popcorn because Max B and Lola are about to bring some serious heat to the game.